Who wishes they were under that tree right now, sitting in that chair with a cold drink, enjoying this beautiful 2-acre property with Crown C zoning, walking distance to Wailoaloa Beach. Wow, look at this. Hey everybody, Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate. We have a gem for you today, and we're gonna walk through this together because there's a lot to see and you are going to love this. So just picture that right now. All that land, you can put some horses on there, some sheep, goats, cattle, a bunch of dogs, you name it. Lots of potential. But look at this. Who loves gardening? And for those of you who don't know where pineapples come from, what does that look like? That's right, these are pineapples. Here's another one for you. Look at that. How cool. She has all sorts of fruits and vegetables. There's some pumpkins growing out there. 2 acres of Crown C land, walking distance to Wailoaloa Beach. Also comes with a huge warehouse. He's been running a business here, and you're going to see this over here. We're going to walk to the front side so you can see this. All this area here is storage. In fact, if you also look back there with me, chicken coop and extra storage, extra water tank. And you can see in Fiji, they actually will pull the water from the roofs and store it in these tanks, right, for irrigation and extra water supply. Very common here in Fiji. So as you can see, all sorts of beautiful tropical colors. There's the plumeria, frangipani that we absolutely love, gorgeous hibiscus flowers, and notice all the coconut palms surrounding the property. So this is an excellent opportunity for somebody if you're looking to come to Fiji. This is Villa Blackwater. The owners have been here. They've actually built this area here. You're going to see a beautiful barbecue grill area. Here's one bar, and everything's covered, so if there's any inclement weather, and you can come and sit down and enjoy yourself. Look, they got the champagne all ready to go for us. Look at the beautiful bougainvillea, giving you that extra privacy that you want. Beautiful wraparound decks, nice loungers. Can't you just see yourself just sitting right there and enjoying yourself? Let's walk around. I'm going to show you the bedrooms, and then we're going to come back around and see everything. So you have 3 bedrooms fully furnished with all the Pacific Green furniture. You can see the ceiling fans. Here's your great room. Vaulted ceilings. You have great bar, double sink, all your appliances. Here's one of the full baths. Notice your kitchen storage, walk-in pantry. That's always a big positive. You can see there's another office just out this way for his business. Indoor laundry. Great indoor laundry. And you have another bathroom and shower stall off the back here. And let's go back. I'll show you the master. And what's great about the master, it actually has another room off the side for entertaining, and also for all the great movie watching, Netflix. Look at this thing. Total entertainment, pre-wired. See those speakers up there? There's your projection for the TV that rolls down. So you have a TV here, and then this will roll down. So very, very cool. And walk with me again now. Let's take a look back at the sitting area. Just spectacular, this place. Beautiful open concept. A lot of people love that open concept. It's perfect for entertaining guests. This has that King Kong screen, and you can hear the guys working in the warehouse. And then you have this whole area to the left. All of this area comes with a property as well, and this huge warehouse that's affixed to the property. So it's about 10 meter by 20 meters. So very, very large. Find out more about this property and all the birds singing and these wonderful mangoes that are going to be all yours. Go with the property. Go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051. We'll get you all the pricing details. We have recent property valuations, we have floor plans, and again, you have your walking distance to Wailoaloa Beach, very close to Nandi Town, the international airport. All the shopping, restaurants, and retail are literally minutes away. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Vanaka.